Louisiana hot sauce! Woo!
'Cause you're a redhead! Woo!
Oh my
More! The whole bottle!
I don't know. I'm kind of full, but I love it! Woo!
Remember!
More? Well, okay. I don't want to act like a pig on television, but I'm sure you're not going to publish this.
We're homeschoolers!
Don't make me laugh. I'll choke on it.
And we don't drink anything but water and hot sauce.
No juice.
No milk.
Remember when I had juice in kindergarten? Oh, it's good.
Shh.
I'm
We're
sorry, it's supposed to be
videotaping.
a hot sauce commercial. This is what I drink. Cajun Power Louisiana hot sauce. It's really good. It makes steam come out of my ears. Makes my face turn beet red. And it lends quality to my extra shiny red hair. You know, I'm starting to like this stuff. Past one. I don't want to commit the sin of gluttony, you know? I'm spilling. Don't stop it.
Oh, lovely. Is this not the most delightful sight you'd ever seen?
I know another trick.
Don't show me. Don't show me.
This spoon.
You gotta blow on it. It's here. Okay, and our 2 minutes is almost up. Goodbye, folks.